can see there, it's getting right down into there and creating even more flavor in that meat. Hey there guys, today we are doing a ham on the Yoder. Is Christmas coming? Stay tuned, I'll show you how. Okay guys, so I did actually prep this ham a little bit ago. What I'm using today, just so you guys are aware, is a Heath Riles Cherry Rub. And towards the end, we're gonna finish it up with a Heath Riles Habanero Honey Brown Sugar glaze. But I just wanted to show you guys in the grill here, just so you can kind of see how it's coming along. It's been on about an hour now. You might notice a pan behind the honey. I always put a pan of liquid in there with it just to kind of help with the juices and stuff like that. Because I do my ham straight on the grill, I don't do it in a pan. So if you're wondering what's behind the ham, I believe I had some peach mango juice and apple cider vinegar and just some of that kind of stuff put in there. So I'll show you where we're at right now. We're running the ham at 235 today. I'll show you what it looks like. Just gonna give the ham a little spritz here, guys. Hey guys, here we are about 3/4 of the way through our cook for our holiday ham. That's why we're doing a ham, by the way, because the holidays are coming and we want to make sure we have everybody covered for every kind of cook that they're doing. Just wanted to make one little point today. I forgot to mention it, maybe I did mention it, but at the beginning you saw the ham when it was prepped. I had scored the top. It's not a new thing, everybody does it, but I just want to show you what it looks like when we're about 3/4 of the way through the cook, because it does get the flavors of the rubs and stuff down into the ham a little bit better. And what I will do is after it separates the top, those cubes, I'll go in and I'll put a little more seasoning on it so it gets right down in the cracks. Here's what it looks like. You can see there, it's getting right down into there and creating even more flavor in that meat. Okay guys, here we are, as you can tell. I don't know if you can see that. It's pretty cold. Nice fall day. Putting the Yoder to the test. Obviously, I talk about how well they retain their heat and everything else. It's getting to be evening time. Our ham is just about ready to pull off. So we're gonna do that. Then we're gonna come back to you when we're slicing it up. Then we'll hit you again once we're eating and tell you how we did. Hopefully it's okay. This is again a Heath Riles Maple Honey Habanero glaze with a Heath Riles Cherry Rub. Wonderful. Shut down the grill. Powering off. Quick tip, when you're done cooking, power it off right away so you don't have to remember to come back out later, or you leave it on all night and it runs out of pellets. See you in a minute. Okay guys, here we are. Ham is done. I'm gonna start slicing it. We won't walk you through the whole thing, but you guys know how to slice a ham. We'll slice it up, we'll plate it, we'll go eat, and I'll check in with you and let you know how we made out. See you soon. Oh, it looks good. Oh, it's tender, slicing very nicely. Okay guys, here we go. I just wanted to mention one more thing on the cook. The Heath Riles, this here Heath Riles Brown Sugar Honey Habanero. I actually warmed that we use that as our glaze, of course, but I warmed it in some butter in a pot on the stove. So what I like to do with my ham is I always like to have a little sauce to put on it. Some people do hollandaise, they do a lot of different things. But let's do this. I'm gonna drizzle this same sauce that I put, just very lightly, that I put on the outside of the ham. I'm gonna drizzle it on as a little bit of sauce on my ham. Guys, this is gonna be a great meal for you at Christmas time. As always, the origin of this video is CM Extreme Grills. So everything that we use to cook, everything, a lot of the utensils even that we use to cook, the products we use to cook, I think we have something like 31 vendors of spices, rubs, sauce, tallows, all that kind of stuff. comes from CMX. So if you guys are looking for the grill to cook it in, you're looking for the right rubs, the spices, the sauces, you're looking for griddles, you're looking for really anything to cook, come on into CMX Stream and see us. I'm gonna take a quick bite of this and I'm gonna let you know how it is. First, I wanna tell you about vegetables because my wife will always tell me the plate has to have a vegetable. Today we've done broccolini tossed in olive oil, and we've used Camp Chef Vegevore dust on it, and then sauteed it in the frying pan just to give it this nice, beautiful green color and taste. So I'm gonna taste the ham. I already know how that tastes. I'm gonna taste the ham, and then we're gonna hit the outro. Let's give it a go here. So we cooked that ham. It was a cured smoked ham. We cooked it to 140 degrees. Super tender, super flavorful. If you want to look in the pan here for a little minute, you can see one of the burnt ends that came off the top of it from doing that diamond pattern like we talked about earlier. That's like candy. It's like a ham pancake, guys. So if you like this video, please hit the like, smash the subscribe, leave us a comment, and if we can, we'll get back to you. I hope you enjoyed the video. Take care.